Hello, here is a quick tutorial on how to use the Revolve tool. The Revolve tool is how I created this little Christmas tree here in less than a minute. So let's get started. I'm going to start a new part, File, New, Standard IPT, and we're going to start a new sketch. The way the Revolve tool works is it takes your sketch and then it revolves it around the axis of your choosing. One of the tricky parts with the Revolve tool is you have to think about what does your part look like if you were to take a cross section of it, if you were to cut it in half and then cut it in half again. So for us, let's just draw a little muffin. I'm going to do a 2D sketch. I'm going to start on the XY plane. I'm going to take my line tool and I'm just going to kind of draw the shape of a cross section of a muffin here. I'm not too worried about dimensions or sizes right now for this tutorial. I have two straight lines. This is kind of the bottom and side of my muffin. Now I kind of want to get some curves, so I'm going to use the spline tool for the curves. Kind of come out and around. Now, by no means am I an expert muffin drawer. Kind of get some interesting geometry here. Just using my spline tool. And I'm going to hit the check mark, or you can right-click, Create. And here's my sketch of a muffin, of a cross-section of a muffin. I know it's not perfect. I do want to finish this sketch. I need to connect this point and this point here. And I see these are vertical and straight up and down. So this is a closed sketch. It is important that this be a closed sketch. Finish sketch. Now what I want to do is revolve this shape around this axis here. I go to Revolve Now, it asks for the profile, it already selects this shape, and then it asks for the axis. I'm going to hit this axis right here. Notice it revolves that shape around the axis. There's some other options you can choose, but for us this is good. I'm going to finish this, and here is a relatively poorly drawn muffin. That's the Revolve tool. Very useful for creating muffins, Christmas trees, and lots of other shapes. Thank you. Have a good day.